Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm the mic is physically connected and works in another app so you isolate Meet. Then open your browser site settings. In Chrome, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Make sure Meet. Google. COM is set to allow and the right device is selected. Once done, close competing audio apps that may seize the device. These steps remove the most common permission and device selection problems before we dig into Meet-specific controls. You should now focus on Google Meet and your operating system. In Meet, click Settings, then Audio, and pick the exact microphone. Check the input meter moves when you speak. Next, open your OS sound settings or mixer. Ensure the device isn't muted and raise input to around 70 to 90% for clarity. Make sure exclusive device access or aggressive noise suppression in other apps is disabled because they can block Meet's access. Once adjusted, rejoin the call and verify audio levels. You finish with advanced checks and a fallback plan. Restart the browser and, if needed, open an incognito window or another browser to bypass extensions that interfere. Update or reinstall audio drivers, and if available, switch to a USB headset or your phone as a hotspot microphone to confirm hardware. If problems persist, reload the Meet tab and re-grant microphone permission. Finally, reboot the machine. Quick troubleshooting tip. If nothing fixes it, test a different device to identify whether it's a hardware or software issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.